Hi everyone, and welcome to our 2018 Garden Trends video series, where we take a deeper look into the 7 garden trends detailed in our Garden Trends report. If you haven't checked that out, there's a link below in the description, and be sure to check out our previous Trends video series as well. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into the first trend of 2018, breathing room. Everyone needs a place to sit back, relax, and unwind without distractions. With the stress of being connected 24/7, there needs to be a time to break the cycle and care for your mental health. Did you know that people spend up to 90% of their time indoors? This means that they aren't getting the benefits of fresh air. Actually, there may be more indoor pollution being inhaled than clean indoor air. Vidud Neri, PhD of the State University of New York at Oswego, says buildings new and old can have high levels of volatile organic compounds in them to the point you can even smell them. As a result, people are creating breathing rooms by surrounding themselves with houseplants such as peace lilies and bromeliads, which help clean the air and get rid of harmful VOCs. These rooms also enable people to connect with nature and create an oasis from a fast-paced society. Here are 3 ways you can start a breathing room to clear the air and your mind. Not all houseplants are the same, so be sure to find houseplants that have been proven to clean the air. The O2 for You collection of plants from Casa Farms can help remove up to 80% of common VOCs in your home and provides a variety of plants such as the previously mentioned peace lilies and bromeliads, but also plants like ferns and palms. There's no shortage of beautiful plants you can use for your new breathing room, so fill it with what you like best. Now that you've gotten your plants, it's time to add some flair to your breathing room. One suggestion is to create a green canopy by using hanging plants and flower pot pendants. These have seen a surge in popularity and are poised to become the next big thing. Your breathing room should be the ultimate relaxation zone. Add a special space for meditation, reflection, and relaxation to improve your mental health and make your breathing room a place you want to revisit over and over. For more information about our trends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and see what else we have to offer at gardenmediagroup.com.